Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel.
Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot.
Today I'm going to be reacting to funniest Run BTS moments that had BTS Wheezing Forever Part 2. Try not to laugh. This is by Suga Army. The link is in the description, so you should go and check this out. I'm most probably going to laugh, so I'm just gonna enjoy this. So let's start the reaction to this one. Because the thumbnail itself is making me want to laugh. So no. Let's see. Suga Army. Just gonna skip that. Let's start. Funniest Run BTS moment. Okay. Episode 24 Zombie Haunted House. Look at Zig, he's like so excited. Suga is like, help me already. They don't even know right now that they're going to Zombie Island. Little did they know. This is, look at Suga, it's like he was suspicious. Why are they going in the night? Oh, now they're gonna get scared. Maybe I'm gonna laugh just by Jungkook's expression. Look at Jin. Oh, he really looks genuinely scared right now. They fooled them. He really looks scared, but they are enjoying in the back, hanging for dear life. Real, please come. Look at Jin. He's having fun now. Makes eye contact. Oh, the way the smile faded. Everybody's laughing. Oh God, Jin. Okay, please hold it. Let's remove this. Okay.
Oh hell!
Okay, zombie. What? He was helping him before. Looks around, making them more scared most probably. Because they let them take J.O. Is it his revenge? Hey, Suga was really funny, okay. Most probably no, complete chaos, okay. It's really funny actually. I have to see, I think. My shoes, okay. Yeah, his shoe, okay. Okay, they have to walk. Okay, they have to walk now. Panic already. Suga, don't come at me, don't come. Okay. Get the sticker of the zombie to determine the team, okay. Focused on the mission, okay. What are they doing? Sticker. Surprised. Suga was really cute here. Reason, okay. You good, bro? He's also become zombie. Surprise, these are all the times running, okay. The most Suga has run here. In a while, exhausted. I thought so. Okay, they're going to the zombie haunted house. Don't go alone. Zombie, Yoongi and Jin. Okay, the combination. Don't ride behind me, okay? Okay, please don't. Okay. How can you do this here? Okay. Yeah, they should go together, yeah. Cautious. What? Satori is coming out. Okay. Yeah, when you're afraid it comes out. Your regional language. Okay. Okay.
Hello, come in.
Hello. Zombies like peek. I'm out. I remember Scooby doing that and they put that music there. Okay. That's scary. What is happening? Bring it on. Again with this fighting.
Wow!
아니 일단
Meanwhile, Namjoon, taehyung, and Jungkook. Okay.
굉장히 키가 크신 것 같아요.
The difference here. They are not scared.
잠깐만 들어갈게요.
Okay. They have to solve a mystery. Okay. Get pieces like thank you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. A clue. Okay. You have to give me that. Okay. He's so cute. Am I a joke to you? You are apparently. Okay, meanwhile, Jin and Yoongi are really so funny. What's going on? Okay, he was crawling, okay.
야 윤기 어디 갔냐?
He's scared by the cameraman. Okay, his heart. Okay. Oh, crawling like that. Yoongi, where?
어디?
Jimin and Jae are another level, okay? Of scared.
아 깜짝이야. 야 우리 아까 직진하라 그랬던 거 아니야? 들어가야
Okay.
야 그냥 뛰어가자.
So they're gonna run now.
뛰어.
Okay, they're gonna come again. Cameraman has also changed. Okay. They're getting scared of the cameraman who's chasing them because of the whole atmosphere. Okay, this is the second time they have gotten scared like that. Okay. Look at the question mark. Jin's reaction was the best. We need to catch it. Okay.
잡아야죠 뭘.
We need to catch a reaction. Okay. Look at Jimin and Jaehook. They are scared from the back.
잘했어.
Okay. Here they're so serious. They're just doing their. They're not even bothered. Unbothered. That's all. Jimin. Jimin, chill.
아 정말 진짜.
I'm embarrassed. Okay, this is actually scary for them. Because they come one after another, right? Okay, great. That must have been an experience for them. Unbothered by the zombie again. They're just waiting there because they're not scared of this zombie. Okay, shall we add some makeup?
그래 야 우리 좀비 같게.
They're going to be one of the zombies. Maybe that's their way of disguising themselves.
일로 와요 일단.
Oh god, hilarious. Checks. They're hilarious. What are they doing?
걸린 거 같은데?
I think they noticed us. Pretends to be zombie. Confused. What are they doing?
목 나가거든.
They're supposed to. They're so funny. Very good actor. Method acting. Oh my god, hilarious. Yoongi crawling. Okay, this is really funny. It just ignores whatever they're doing, having fun. Surprised. Goes back into character. Okay, they were so scared. And suddenly he's back. No, I'm zombie. I have to act like that. Okay. God, it was so funny. Okay. Oh God. Okay, wait. Yeah, episode 15. Game. Okay, I see game. Okay. So they're going to say a bunch of things and you're not supposed to get angry. You just have to say, I see.
지민아 너한테 사과할 게 있어.
Okay.
사과할 게 있다. 사과할 게 있다.
Okay, waiting
너의
for the insult.
너가 집에 없을 때 너의 침대에 누워서 머리를 3일 동안 안 감고 너의 베개에 문
We
댔어.
already know this, I guess.
나 같은 절대 안 돼.
실례진가요?
너 지금 싸운다.
Of course.
지금 싸웠다. 나 지금 싸웠다.
Look at Jin.
진영.
This is good to insult the word.
뭔데?
You're not supposed to get angry no matter what they say.
근데 외출복으로 침대 위에 누웠었어. 침대 위에 누웠어.
Hey God.
아 그렇구나.
I understand.
그랬구나.
Okay, you're not supposed to say I see. No, I
그렇지
understand.
않아요. 누울 수도 있지.
He's already angry.
귀가 빨개지고 있는
Ears are red of anger.
열나서 그래.
화안 났지?
안 났지.
Okay.
너의
Your height,
키는
okay. They started with
작지
the
않다고
height again.
얘기하는데 너의 키는 굉장히 작아.
Oh, really? I see.
난 형의 다리가 짧지 않은데 형 다리는 정말 짧아.
You also put that point here.
내 다리는 정말 짧구나.
God is already
저희 방탄 멤버 중에
okay.
유명한 진영.
Sugar putting like that, saying,
지민아,
진영 잘한다.
항상 너가 형 저 살쪘지 않았어요라고 얘기할 때마다 너무 하고 싶은데 너무 매직같아라고 얘기하고 싶은데
oh God, Jimin is done. Jimin lost. It was too funny. Okay. Episode 51 Lotte World Ride.
Let's get it.
Yeah, I know
이쪽이
this.
약간 우승 후보팀이에요.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
봄 가르기 봄봄봄 가르기. 할수 있어.
Okay.
가자.
Excited. Look at the party. They're excited. Scared.
호가 믿는다.
아 싫어.
I don't like it. Okay.
뭐야 그 부대찌개 넣어 먹는 고기. 베이컨.
Look at their terrified expression.
소세지 네 글자.
They can't even think. I don't know.
고기 얇은 거 일본 가서
Look at Namjoon being done here. He is losing his patience. Jimin is so happy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say
Okay, that was a good one. The March one.
패스.
Fast.
야 뭐라?
Yeah, it's
야
all.
앞에 있는 사람 누구야? 앞에 있는 사람 감독님.
Which
무슨 감독님?
desperate.
무슨 감독님?
In the meanwhile, they're having so much fun. Taekook.
무슨 감독님? 카메라 감독님. 오케이 다음 문제.
Okay, next one. Camera. Look at that, Suga.
과일 초록색 과일.
Okay.
초록색 과일.
Saying everything, okay? They're so terrified. And look at their difference, my god.
초록색 과일.
Which one?
초록색
Now
과일.
Jin has also started screaming
수박. 작은 거.
so that they cannot hear anything.
작은 거.
Great.
작은 거. 더 작은
This
거.
big.
요만하다.
I don't think they're gonna get it. I don't know.
야 뭐야?
Oh god, Yogi, it's really terrifying. Obi, is that you? This is actually really hilarious. My god, crazy. Oh, boss, you don't have this now, courage. Courage. 3 letters. You don't have. I think he's exhausted. Oh god, he's locked out, okay. Soul left his body. Okay. He cried anything or what? Look at them, my god. Oh god. This was really hilarious. Nobody can not laugh at this. Like, it was hilarious. So if you liked my reaction to this one, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.